Alright, so it's time for the Tarsiers, and we're at the Bohol Enchanted Garden something. And it's got a very disturbing centaur as you come in. I didn't know they came in female form. And over here... we got a kid. Is a disturbing statue with water coming out of his... I'm not quite sure what that is. I don't know if I want to investigate. Alright, what the hell? This Tarsier reserve obviously isn't PG-13. Tarsiers! We're gonna go stress them out.
My brothers and sisters.
Your brothers and sisters, yes. The first thing you see as you come through the Bohol Enchanted place are guinea pigs. Hi guys! And a rabbit. A really old looking rabbit in the back.
Rabbit time.
So this is basically guinea pig and bunny jail.
Rabbit.
Rabbit? Is that rabbit? That's good. That's good. And we got more incarcerated rabbits over here. Hello guys. How are you? We don't have any food. Sorry. Oh, that bunny's really cute over there. See the little bunny? Hi. They're ferocious.
I was bitten by the rabbit before.
You were bitten by a rabbit before? Were you annoying him?
It's like I have...
I can understand. And here they're supposed to have quite the collection of amazing animals, so... Ah! We'll see what's going on. Oh, this is nice. A little arbor. With vines. Is that the anti-rain dance? Let's see if it's gonna work. Gotta find some tarsiers. So this is all metal grating, this walkway. Looks like it goes over there. Okay, go ahead.
So this is Malayan Seabed, so this is wildcat, sir.
It's a wildcat.
Yeah.
It's a carnivorous animal.
Yeah. So this is also the predator of the small monkey, the Tarsier.
Ah, this is the predator that eats the tarsiers. Wow. Yeah, he looks pretty maldito. Wow. He's scared. Yeah, it's a male. Yes, you annoyed him. See what happens? Now he's leaving.
Hi.
Little baby.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Is that working?
No, but he's listening.
He's listening.
Ayo.
No, don't do that. Oh, this is the bird jail. Black-naped oriole, musky fruit bat, white-eared brown dove, and buff-banded rail. Huh. Oh yeah, the rails are over there. And up next is the Asian water monitor. Actually ran over one of these coming back from Sipalai. It was a juvenile, it wasn't this big. This guy's not that big either. And... oh, it's monkey jail. It's monkey jail.
This is Darla and Lito.
Hi, Darla. Oh. Darla. Ooh, that's some nice fangs. Alright, and here we have some lovebirds. These live 15 to 30 years and they mate for life. And we were just told that if one dies, the other one dies within 4 days by committing suicide. This is a depressing stop on the Bohol tour. Ah. Hi guys. And here is a sailfin. It's very nice. It's got like blue crest on its back and a big sail on its tail. He's chilling. And this is a civet, whatever you want to say. And they're the ones that eat the coffee beans and then poop them out, and they're like supposed to be the best coffee in the world. I don't know about that. Oh. These are stunt civet. Thank you.
Hello. Are they friendly? I think they're
probably bite you and then you have to get a rabies shot. Yeah. Hey everybody, I'd like to stay and hang around, but I gotta go watch more vignettes of daily life over My Philippine Dreams. Bye. And as we were leaving the civets, I almost ran into this guy. Face first, which would have totally freaked me out because I'm a hardcore arachnophobe. But these are common Philippine garden spiders. You see them all over the place. They all usually have the same coloration. So their abdomens are different though. Some of them have the fat, wide abdomen. This guy's rather thin. And they're harmless, but man, they can get big. And you don't want to be hitting them with your face. Right? Yeah, he's going somewhere. Alligators. They look like some kind of...
That is alligator gar. Yeah,
that's a gar, alligator. Yeah. These are alligator gars. This is about as alligatory as we're gonna get. Those are big fish. I wonder if those are good eating. So this is the Tarsier Enclosure. Tarsiers are the small proto-primates, the smallest primates, and they can turn their head like 360 degrees. Their eyes weigh as much as their brain. They got really big eyes. You see that in the footage. And they're very territorial. Even though they're small, I guess they're rather quite fierce. That if another Tarsier invades their territory, they rip them to shreds. Very slowly and methodically, I guess. So let's take a look at the Tarsiers. But we have to be very quiet. Okay, now we have to be very quiet because we want to see the Tarsiers. And they're nocturnal. So. So this is the Bohol Enchanted little garden thing where they have all the animals and stuff. You might have heard my comments through the course of this, and they seem kind of negative about it. Some people love going to the zoo and everything, but I have a problem with seeing animals in jail. I think that a lot of them should be out flying free or running free or swimming free or doing anything free outside of the confines of the cage, especially with primates, because those are our closest relatives and we know they're intelligent, we know they're self-aware, and keeping them in jail is kind of gross. But I just wanted to show this stuff anyways, and it's part of the Bohol adventure. And another thing I noticed from my hammock, because they got this hammock smoking area here in the Enchanted Forest, is all these trees here are mahogany. There's a lot of mahogany here, all over the place. All right, and get what's good for the goose is good for the gander. Here we have, I guess, the female version of that other statue. Okay, time to go. It's raining. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.